Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add astrological profile on your Snapchat account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on this Leo. Tap on continue and select here your birth day and birth of time and enter here the birthplace and tap on complete. So here you can see I successfully created my astrological profile. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.